Welcome to another video on statistics for machine learning by the Security Buddy. In our previous video, we discussed random variables, probability mass function, probability density function, and mathematical expectations. In this video, we will discuss what mean, median, and mode are. Let's say we roll a fair die once. As the die is fair, all the numbers from 1 to 6 are equally likely in the outcome. In other words, P1 is equal to P2 is equal to P3 is equal to P4 is equal to P5 is equal to P6 is equal to 1 by 6. So, if x is a discrete random variable that represents the outcome after a fair die is rolled, then expectation x is equal to summation over x xpx. And after calculation, this is 3.5. This expectation x is also called the mean of the random variable x and it is denoted by the letter mu. In other words, the mean or mu is the weighted average value of all possible values that a random variable can take. Now, let's look at another example and try to calculate the mean of some numbers. Let's say we are given 11 numbers and we want to find out the mean of the numbers. If we are given n numbers x1, x2 to xn, then the mean of the numbers can be found out using the following formula. Mean is equal to summation from I is equal to 1 to n xi by n. Therefore, the mean of the given 11 numbers will be 2.9. Now, let's sort the numbers. If we sort the numbers become this. So, the number in red is in the middle. There are 5 numbers on the left and 5 numbers on the right. This number is called the median of the given numbers. In other words, if we are given some numbers and we want to find out the median of the numbers, then we need to sort the numbers first. Then the number in the middle will be the median of the numbers. Please note that if we are given an even number of numbers, then there will be 2 numbers in the middle. In that case, we need to find the average of the 2 numbers in the middle and the result will be the median of the given numbers. For example, let's say we are given 10 numbers and we want to find the median of the numbers. So, we will sort the numbers first. The sorted numbers are this. Here, the numbers 3 and 4 are in the middle. There are 4 numbers on the left and 4 numbers on the right. Therefore, the median of the given 10 numbers will be 3 plus 4 by 2, that is 3.5. Now, let's look at the given 10 numbers once again. They are 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 10. Here, the number 2 appears most of the time. This number 2 is called the mode of the given 10 numbers. In other words, the mode of given numbers is the number that appears most of the time. Please note that there can be more than one mode in a data. For example, let's say we are given these numbers. Here, both 2 and 3 appear most of the time. So, both 2 and 3 are modes of the given numbers. And such data that contains 2 modes is called bimodal data. We will discuss unimodal, bimodal and multimodal data in detail in our next video. The link will be provided in the description. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please refer to the playlist Statistics for Machine Learning or visit the website of the Security Buddy. The relevant links are provided in the description. You may also want to subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.